Hi, I am Narendra Modigari. In this video, I am going to show you how to download JDK version 8 as well as how to install it and how to set the path. Just visit the Google and type download JDK 64-bit if you want, or you can even download 32-bit version also. And click this link provided by oracle.com. So this is the download page for version 8 of JDK. Select either 32-bit or 64-bit as per your system. Once you click this, you'll get a pop-up window like this. Check this. If you click this download button, Oracle will ask you to log into the website. If you have an account, you can log into the Oracle website, or if you don't have an account, you can create an account at free of cost and you can download it. Once you download this, your file will be like this. Check if path variable is there. If path variable is not there, you can create your own path variable. Click OK, click OK, click OK. JDK and JRE both installed successfully. So it is there in C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1.8. This is what you install right now. Okay, just open this, open bin folder, copy path up to this, and we need to set a path. Copy location up to this. We need to set the path for executing Java programs. Open my computer, right click anywhere, click properties, choose advanced system settings, click environment variables. Here you have to create a variable called as path if it is not existed. If the path variable is already exist, open this and create new and copy all the path you copy, paste the path you copied. That's it. So this is the way how you can set path. Okay, I'll repeat once again. To set Java path for executing Java programs, open my computer, click anywhere, choose properties, click advanced system settings, click environment variable. Check if path variable is there, otherwise you create path variable. On this, click new, paste the path what you copied so far up to bin, click OK, click OK, click OK. Now to check whether Java installed properly or not, whether the path set properly or not, open command prompt, type javac. So if you get like this, it means Java is successfully installed as well as path is also set correctly. Let's execute some sample programs. So I have one program in desktop. Let me move to the desktop. My program name is a.java. Program is compiled. Let's run this. Program runs successfully. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.